So I am in Sozopol right now, Bulgaria, and Sozopol is one of the oldest cities in the Black Sea region in Bulgaria. We're gonna go around the beach a little bit, and then we're gonna go around a small bazaar. There is like an old bazaar close by in the center, and they're selling a bunch of stuff. And that is my mother. Ana selam söyle kameraya, seni çekeyim şu anda. Yes, so I'm actually with my mother today. Let's go around the beach. Let's check this beautiful water. The water looks way cleaner than the Burgas water. Like you can see the Bulgarian flag. It's funny actually because they have the flag of Bulgaria in many places here. In Sweden, where I've been living for a few years, I don't see them putting their flag a lot on many places, but yeah, over here they do. Sozopol has two parts of town. One is the old side of the town and one is the new side. So we are currently in the old side, which obviously is better, more beautiful in my opinion. So that part looks a little bit like the newer part, like you can see from the buildings. Obviously this part is the older part, and right now it's filled with, as I said, yachts, boats, everything. So I think this is like a captain ship that tourists can go inside in, and then like you're sailing somewhere, right? Over here is the ships, or the ship. I mean, there is a few of them actually, there is like 4 of them, which you can go inside with money. But yeah, if I want to go to the Poseidon or inside the Poseidon, I need to come prepared because I'm seasick. I get seasick quite fast. But yeah, look at this. I don't know if they are open yet. I mean, by the looks of it, it might be or it may not be because this thing is a little bit up. When I was a kid, they taught me that the green thing is frog poop, but I don't know if that's true. Already we have some bazaars over here, people selling stuff, people selling everything basically, like souvenirs, shops. There is like a small church over here. So the thing is, I don't know if it's disrespectful to go inside the church with a camera, especially in here. So I don't want to do it. But they sell some pictures over here and stones. Not interested in that, unfortunately. Mama Hisko is looking at some jewelry here. They are not too expensive as well, thinking that they're souvenirs. They're like 2.5 to 5 euros. More souvenirs, okay. They're even selling paintings here for like 350 euros. Може ли да снимам малко? Не? Може. А, добре. Много хубаво. Many people are selling art over here. Personally, not interested in art too much, especially that I came with a small bag, so I can't really fit anything. Let's see what this place has to offer. More church. How many churches does this place have? Oh, this place looks kind of old, okay, and nice.
The Apollonia necropolis in Sozopol is an ancient Greek cemetery dating back to the 6th century before Christ. Once part of the Greek colony Apollonia Pontica, this necropolis reveals a variety of burial practices and has yielded stunning artifacts like jewelry, coins, and terracotta figurines of the god Apollo. Excavations have provided deep insights into the town's rich cultural and religious history.
Oh, we have some place that's selling like cookware. People use these things to cook traditional güveç. It's like a stew that contains like beef, vegetables and everything, every possible vegetable you have in your house. And like you can see, they have a lot over here. This is traditional Bulgarian stuff over here. Now I know that some places, or not some places, but I know that there is also these places from China that are selling rip-offs or fakes of these. So, but I'm pretty sure that most of the places over here are at least traditionally selling the real thing. Look at these chopping boards. That's actually quite nice. This is gonna last you a while. This is like 24 euros and it's a real wood. This is actually real wood over here. Oh, we have some Mary, some bells. So, like the Panther hat brand, but the guy was selling them for 7.5 euros each, and obviously they were fake and the quality didn't seem good at all. Even this one, which is 2.5 euros, seems like a better quality to me. So like we can see, this part of the city is either with bricks. Buildings either have bricks or wood, such as this building over here. This is personal people's houses over here that we are going through, but this is the beach. People are inside the beach. Unfortunately, I didn't get anything for the water, so I am not going to go inside, but I just wanted to film it a little bit from this side over here. That's the beach over there. There's way too much wind over here. It's gonna take off my hat, but this looks like a historic wall over here. Let's touch it. Look at the beach. We are closer to the beach now. The seaweed is red. Wow, that's a nice view. That's a nice view. Look at this tree. It's okay, it's not stable at all by the looks of it. Some old buildings, more of them. Yeah, so this place of town seems very nice, not gonna lie. Traditional Bulgarian stuff. Historically complex. Architectural historic complex. Southern Forest Wall and Tower. Look at this. This is from the inside. Okay, that is trash. Very nice. But yeah, this is very good, very stable. Oh, people also throw money though. But I don't think we can get up there. Maybe we can get to the top and then get up there. We will see. But anyways, yes. So this is something beautiful over here. Oh, there is no stairs from here. Yeah. Well, actually, yeah, there is no stairs. It's closed. But this side is beautiful, like we can see. I think now we are coming to the end of the southern wall tower. Okay, yeah. So this part of town. Okay, look at this. The jungle. We just found the jungle in Sozopol. Wow. Yeah, this part is the ugly part now. I guess this is why people are not in this part of the town.